New PowerPoint tutorial, I will guide you how to insert animated pictures in PowerPoint. So basically these are animated pictures and also called GIFs. So how you can do that? So let me open a new slide and now head to the insert and click on the picture tab and now click on this device and now head to the location where you have inserted the animated picture. For example, I am inserting this one. Click on insert and here you can see that the GIF is inserted. From this white dot you can resize it, make it bigger or small like this one, and from this fill handle you can change the direction of the animated picture. So for example, place it over here. So another way is that go to the desktop and select the animated picture and drag it and now place over the PPT slide. And this is another way to insert animated picture on the PPT slides. So I hope this is pretty simple and easy and you have learned something new. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.